Hey guys, how to connect Manychat Telegram bot to a Telegram channel. So guys, I made this table over here so we can understand more. So just simply follow along. So first, just simply go ahead and go to the settings in Manychat. It will be located on the left side of the screen. And after that, just simply go to the channel and just simply select Telegram. From there, just simply go ahead and click on connect. And once you have click on connect, just simply go ahead and go to your Telegram application and just simply open a chat with bot father. So just simply go ahead and do that. And from there, just simply go ahead and click on the slash start command. And from there, just simply select slash my bots from the list of the commands that the bot father have. And from there, guys, just simply go ahead and choose the bot that you want to connect. And from there, just simply go ahead and click on the API token and just simply go ahead and copy it. And from there, just simply go back to the Manychat and paste it into Manychat. And from there, you should be able to connect to finish this process. So guys, another alternative way that you could do is just simply use Zapier to connect Manychat and Telegram. So you can send a Telegram message when a new subscriber joins Manychat. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.